Now that we've talked about our factors and our prime and composite numbers, we're going to learn how to factor and how to break a number down to its prime factorization. So, factoring is breaking down a number to its factors or math facts. Prime factorization is finding which prime numbers can be multiplied together to get the original number. So if you think prime factorization is when you find your prime numbers. So there's two main ways we're going to learn how to do this. The first way is called a factor tree. So you want to think, what can give me 48 and 8? I'll look at that and say 4 and 12. 4 times 12 equals 48. So these each become a new main tree. So what can give me 4? 2 and 2. So I'm going to say 2 and 2. I realized from my list that they are prime numbers, so this factor tree is done. I move on to the next one. What can give me 12? 3 and 4. 3 times 4 equals 12. 3 is a prime number, so I'm good. So I go to my 4. 4 times what? 2 and 2. 2 times 2 gives me 4. Now that I go, I'm going to circle all of my prime numbers, and I put them at the bottom. 2 times 2 times 3 times 2 times 2. Now I can check it. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 12, times 2 is 24, times 2 is 48. If you look, the same number here that I got when I multiplied them is the same as my original number. So that's how I know I'm done. You can also do it with the upside down cake method. So this one you're going to start with 2's and then 3's. So 48 is even, so I know 2 will go into it. 2 times what gives me 48? 24, so I divide it. 48 divided by 2 equals 24. Now I can break down 24 again because it's even. So 24 divided by 2 is 12. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So once I have a number that is a prime number down here, I stop. So if you look, I have the same 4 2's and 1 3 that I had over there. But let's put it down and check anyways. 2, 2, 2, 2, 3. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16, times 3 is 48. And look, it's the same number.